Hi, I'm Mark, the Family Woodworker. This week my son Matt does a rustic wall art piece for an upcoming YWCA fundraiser. With some smaller pieces of reclaimed barnwood in different stages of weathering, Matt will design and build a simple mountainscape using 45-degree cut pieces and a project-sized piece of birch plywood. The end effect is really cool and would look awesome above any stone fireplace or hanging in any rustic cabin. That one's kind of destroyed, but it's perfect for food. Should we show everybody the phone? Look, we weren't kidding. It cuts down on some of the echo, but I can't really do any narration in the shop. The piece cutting and assembly took most of the time on this project as Matt had to individually fit the sections together one at a time, making little trim cuts along the way just to make sure everything fit tightly. The final assembly will require a frame, and this leftover piece of yellow cedar is going to work really well with the blue stain and the darkened barnwood. The finished wall hanging looks pretty awesome with the reclaimed barnwood, and is easy enough to do with a little patience and the ability to make some accurate 45-degree cuts. This is a simple project most any hobby woodworker can do. I also really like how the blue stain on the birch plywood makes the wood grain look a little bit like clouds above the mountaintops. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment too. It all really does help promote us on YouTube. Stay frosty.